Hey guys, are you being bothered by MDM, the remote management lock, or the MDM restriction on your iPhone and don't know how to deal with it? In this video, we're going to show you how to bypass MDM on your iPhone with only 3 clicks using an easy-to-use MDM bypassing tool. Now, here is the remote management screen that blocks you from accessing your iPhone. If you don't know the username and passcode, no worries. You can turn to iMyFone LockWiper to bypass MDM restrictions on your iPhone in 30 seconds. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Download and install iMyFone LockWiper onto your computer. Then launch iMyFone LockWiper and click on Bypass MDM. Step 2. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone with your computer and it will automatically detect your device. Step 3. Click on Start to Bypass. Just wait a few seconds and now you have successfully bypassed MDM on your iPhone. After you've bypassed MDM, you'll be free to enjoy full access to your iPhone without entering a username and passcode. One thing should be noted. If you reset your iPhone, erase all content and settings on your device, the MDM restriction will be back on the device. But no worries. As long as you have LockWiper at hand, you can bypass MDM anytime with just a few clicks. Other than MDM bypassing, iMyFone LockWiper also provides other features, such as unlocking Apple ID without a passcode, removing iPhone passcodes, bypassing screen time or restriction passcodes. These features are supported for iPhones, iPads, and iPod Touch. Both Windows and Mac versions are available. Well, that's all for today. If you found this helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions about the video. See you next time.